Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you my favorite tools that you can get at Born Pretty store. So a couple of these items I actually bought myself, but I also got some sent out to me through PR. So yeah, it's a little bit of a mesh of everything, but personally you've heard me rave and rave about Born Pretty store because they're really affordable and they just have great quality products. So the first things I wanted to mention are their sponge files or just their nail files in general. I really love those, but these sponge files are just so nice. I got a 100, 180 and their regular file of 240, 320 grit as well. Like the higher the grit, the softer it is for the natural nails, and you can actually use them on natural nails. Then I also got some really beautiful like multicolored tools. I really love these. I think they just look fabulous on your desk or your workspace or anything like that. So I've got some nippers. I actually use these to get rid of like some hangnails and all that jazz. I have a different one which doesn't have this fabulous coloring to remove any gems if I use those with gel polishes, because those are a little bit harder to remove. So then nippers like that come in really handy. Then I also have like a little nail scissor. This one has a little bit of a curve to it. I pretty much use this thing for a lot of different things. I cut up my decals, my water decals, but I also sometimes use it to cut off some hangnails as well. It's just really handy to have a little scissor like that. Then I also got this beautiful cuticle pusher, and there's a little like knife thingy at the end as well you can use to scrape off any dead skin cells off of the nail plate, or just to get rid of any of that cuticle that you have just pushed back. So yeah, I really like these. Like, definitely pick these multicolored ones, because as you can see here, this is just a regular metal one. This one has a really nice scraper thingy at the end if you have soaked off your gel polishes, for instance. They are like the same quality, but if you have the chance to get any of like those holographic or multicolored tools, do so, because they just look really cute and it's more fun to use cute looking stuff, if you know what I mean. Then I also have gotten a couple of the really pointy tweezers. This is just a silver colored one, but they're really handy if you work with big gems and everything like that, so you can actually place it more easily on the nail. Then they also sell some other brands like Nicole Diary and You Are Sugar, or Your Sugar, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I just got some different tools by those as well. And then everyone should use and actually get dotting tools, because dotting tools are so handy. They are available in a lot of different shapes and sizes. You don't just have the dotting parts, but also a little bit more like pointier ones, which are really easy to use also in gem placements. And another thing you will need if you work with gems or want to work with gems a lot is a gem picker up tool. This is a knockoff from the Crystal Katana. I got it for like €2 from Born Pretty store. It is so pretty with all those pink little gems in there. They are available in different colors as well if you're not into pink like I am, but this is a tool. I've been using it for over 2 years now and it still looks pretty decent. I haven't had any issues with it. I haven't had to change it up for a new one yet either, so this one is really a good bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. Then the last thing I wanted to share is that if you are a stamper, you do stamp nail art a lot, sometimes the scrapers are not that good, but Born Pretty store actually sells their scrapers separately as well, so you don't have to get an entire kit. I got like 2 of those for like 60 cents or something. It's really affordable, but I really like how thick but still flexible these are, and it's my favorite scraper. You can see me use that one in all of my videos. But yeah, this was my quick and snappy videos about my like recommended tools that you can get from Born Pretty store. Of course, you can use my discount code as well. It's in the description box as well as the pinned comment. But thank you so much for watching. As usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.